In the count of 3, when I say 1, 2, 3, go, you go, okay? Ready na? Ready? Or put it down first. Okay.
I'm gonna give you head start.
What's a head start? Okay. Guys, ready na? Put it down. 1, 2, 3, go! 500 pesos for the win. Eat it fast. 500. Dadanum na. Angelique, go for the 500 pesos. Go. Who's leading? Who's leading? Let me see. Ayan niya pakita. Go, Angelique. Oh, let me see. Manang Ami, hello. Small na lang. Hello, Joshua. Oh my God, Manang Ami is leading. Hurry up. Angelique, hurry up. It's almost done. Hurry up. Say, Manang Ami is almost done. Oh my God. Swallow it. Done. Go. Open your mouth.
May pangangailangan.
Let me see. You almost made it. Oh my God. Drink water. You guys, I think you gave her a small bowl. You did good, Angelique. You almost did. Look, who's the second one? You're second. This one, I think is small.
Marami mga akin.
Oh my God. Congratulations for 500 Gcash. Ay, Gcash. 500 cash. Milk. Oh my God. Did you guys turn red? Did you turn red? I told you, she said she's good if she used this chopstick. She eat fast.
Wala kayong professional.
Yeah. Yeah, close to her mouth. Good job, though. Good job. You almost won. You almost win. Ito pranan. Awanan. And then, na ano na niya, pero nung tinaas na niya, let me see your mouth. Sayang, Brad. Di mo nasungkit ang 500.
Nakita ko ng
Binaba niya.
kumain, wala na, binigay ko na. Wala na.
She's really good. She already said she can win it if she used chopstick.
Biniluan na ganun eh. Ganyan na nakabuhilo. Ay, nakita ko.
Hey, you guys should have give her a big bowl. Okay then. That's it. Thank you for playing. Huh? You're sweating? Wala nang milk. Kanina ayaw mong uminom ng milk. Okay na, magpapak. Impact na kami. Alright, congratulations! Unbeatable! Alright, bye-bye.